Hi sisters, Talia Ann here and welcome back from my hiatus. Hey guys, what's up? So I haven't uploaded videos since November and it's January now. I don't really think anyone cares, but like, yeah, I've just been busy with school and stuff like that. But I'm back now and I got the James Charles palette. They restocked them on January 3rd, so I bought one and I'm so happy and I'm so excited. So today I'm going to be filming a video using this palette, obviously. So, are you kidding me right now?
Sorry, she was like at your door, she was like
Bye! So I bought it and today I'm going to do a video with it. So the look that I'm going to be doing is very, very extra, and honestly, it's not really like something that should be a tutorial, but I'm going to do more of like a get ready with me. I'm going to put up on the screen. James did it a while ago, and I know it's not his look that he created. I don't know who it's inspired by. I literally saw so many on Instagram being like, this is inspired by this person, and then I go to that person and be like, this is inspired by this person. So whoever did this look, it's inspired by you. Just so you guys know, probably gonna be using this palette for the rest of my YouTube channel, so let's just get into the video. Okay, so first I'm gonna do eyebrows. My hair's brown now, if you can't tell. Last time you saw my hair was pink. My friend did it a few weeks ago. She did it before the Christmas break, and I really like the color. It was like black when it was first done. So I'm gonna try using this e.l.f. pomade. It's in the shade Espresso. Probably won't match me, but like, only other option is eyeshadow, and I really don't want to do that for this look, so it's gonna be really extra. So we're gonna try it out and see how it goes. I'm gonna do it off camera because it's gonna be like just filling in my eyebrows. So once I'm done that, it's eyeshadow time. Okay, eyebrows are done. They're looking pretty uneven. Haven't used a pomade in a while, so not really a good time. Anywho, we're gonna get started now. I just used heart-shaped tape on my eyelids and the shade Flashback from the palette. Hopefully they blend out or else I'm gonna start crying. I'm just gonna throw my hair back. So, I'm gonna take this blue shade down here and I'm gonna put that on the inner corner of my eye. Okay, sisters, so the tea is, why have I been on a hiatus? Why have I been MIA? Where have I been? Nobody cares. However, I'll just explain it. Pretty much, I was just very busy with school, had to write an essay, so it was really just a good time. And I just like hadn't had time to like actually sit down and take time to do my makeup and film video. Also, my skin has not been the greatest lately either, so I didn't really want to put face makeup on. So that's just what's been happening for those of you who care. Okay. So the next shade I'm gonna use is this green one down here, and I'm gonna put that next to the blue. Since this video is dedicated to James Charles, he's actually coming to Canada. He's coming to a mall in Toronto, and he's doing, because there's like a Morphe store that opened up there. I want to go, and I signed up, I registered to see if I could get free tickets, so hopefully that happens because I'm really trying to meet him. So we'll see how that goes. Probably won't get free tickets. Okay, now I'm gonna go into yellow. Wrong way. Gonna put that on next. And
blend it out.
okay, now we're gonna go into orange. So we're gonna take this one right up there. Now it's red time. Her. Okay, gonna go in with pink now. This is a big palette. So I'm gonna use the pink shade. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the purple shade, this one, and I'm just gonna be finishing off the little area right there. I'm kind of running out of room, so yeah. Okay, so this is what it looks like right now. I'm gonna cut the clouds, the crease, whatever you want to call it. I don't have white concealer, so I'm gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape. I'm gonna try to put the NYX white eyeliner on top of it just a little bit, like the pencil one, and then I'm gonna set it with Flashback. Okay, this is how it looks right now. Kind of mad, honestly. Okay. Instead of going like, I went like, so, but it's okay. That's the best I'm gonna be able to do. I don't really think this is gonna be a good idea, and I'm probably gonna regret this. I'm just gonna pack on Flashback now. Now I'm gonna blend back in the other color, so I have to do like the purple, pink, red, orange, yellow thing. So I'm gonna do the stars next, and I'm just gonna use the NYX white liquid eyeliner.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
I just finished this eye, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera. This is literally gonna take me 2 hours to finish. But yeah, once I'm done the other eye, I'll come back and do my face makeup. Anyway, I'll go finish the other eye off camera, and I'll get back to you guys. Okay guys, so this is the eyes right now. So yeah, let's go move on to face makeup now. I'm gonna start off with some foundation, so I'm gonna mix the L'Oreal Pro Glow one and the Maybelline Hydrate and Smooth. This one's too light, this one's too dark. I don't even like this one, because last time I used it, I got white spots all over my face, and that was not a good time. Wow, once again, we are gonna look like the peanut butter baby.
Ah.
You know that picture of Kylie Jenner where she's like getting her makeup done and she has all that face makeup on, and then everyone made the meme on it, they're like, my pores can feel this? That's me right now. Okay, now I'm gonna do concealer. So I got this new concealer a while ago. I got it in November. It's the Makeup Revolution concealer, Conceal and Define. It's in the shade C1. This is so good. It's literally a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape, and it's literally $8. It's nice because it's hydrating. Bye, like, anywho, I'm gonna use this as my concealer. Now I'm gonna take the Laura Mercier powder and I'm just gonna like set my face. I'm just gonna take the NYX setting spray and then some highlight and do that. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm gonna do mascara and lashes. So I'm just gonna use the L'Oreal Lash Paradise and some Dodo lashes. Not sure which ones I'm gonna use yet. When I put them on, I'll tell you guys. Okay.
Here's the finished look.
This is how it turned out. I used the Dodo lashes in the style D316. Again, use my code BEAUTYBYTAL for 5% off. This was me recreating a Sister James look. Sister, whoever created this look, shout out to you. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, again, like this video, and hopefully I'll see you guys soon. Bye.